Did you know in the US alone, 3.5 billion chicken sandwiches are sold every year? That's nearly 10 million sandwiches a day. That's a lot of chicken. Most of those sandwiches miss on the most important idea that can change chicken sandwiches forever. Crispy umami packed chicken skin. Hi, my name is Bruno, and today I'm not only showing you how to make an incredible chicken sandwich in no time, but we're taking it a step further. And without it, you'll have to settle for fast food chicken sandwiches that don't even come close to this. And when I finish, we'll not only use this on chicken sandwiches, but on all sandwiches. You've seen the hundreds, thousands, maybe millions of videos telling you and showing you how to make the most fantastic chicken with a beautiful crispy skin. There's a reason for it. Chicken skin is packed with umami, that flavorful, almost addictive flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Think about it. Every time you bite into a crispy chicken skin, that first flood of flavor you get in your mouth, that's umami in action. But what makes chicken skin so special is not just flavor though, it's its texture. When cooked properly, it's crispy and light, almost like a chip or fry, and it's super versatile. You can season it in so many different ways. It will be the perfect contrast to everything else in the sandwich. So besides using the skin on its own, I'll test two different ways to boost that umami kick even further. Well, if this doesn't work, I'll just sit in a corner eating chicken skins, contemplating all my life choices. Let's do it. Alright, let's get started with the star of the show, chicken skin. Let's preheat our oven to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. If your skin has still some feathers attached to it, just stretch it on the board and make sure you scrape all of that off with a bit of paper. This is an annoying bit, but it has to be done. Now lay your chicken skins flat on a baking sheet with parchment paper. You want them as smooth as possible. Any folds or wrinkles will stop them from crisping up evenly, because if they're anything like my life, they'll wrinkle at the first sign of heat. Next, brush each piece with a light coating of olive oil. This is going to help the seasoning stick and encourage that beautiful golden crispiness we're after. Now, here's where the experiment begins. I'm seasoning these skins 3 different ways to see how each one impacts the flavor. For the first one, we're keeping it classic, just salt, simple, pure, and always a winner. For the second one, we're going bold with dark soy sauce. This will bring a deeper umami flavor and that beautiful caramelized color. And for the third one, we're going tangy with Worcestershire sauce. It's savory, it's zippy, and it might just surprise us. Once the skins are seasoned, cover them with another piece of parchment paper. This will stop them from curling up as they cook. Then, place a second baking tray on top to weigh them down. This step is key. Crispy skin doesn't happen by accident. While those bake, the fat will render out, the Maillard reaction will do its magic, and we'll end up with golden crispy perfection. Pop them into the oven for 40 to 50 minutes at 180 Celsius. All our chicken skins are crisping up. Let's talk about the main event, the fried chicken thighs. We have some boneless and skinless chicken thigh. Place them in the bowl and season generously with salt. Don't be shy here, we're building flavor at every step. Next, pour some buttermilk in. Buttermilk isn't just for pancakes, it's a fried chicken MVP. It will tenderize the meat and help the coating stick like a dream. Make sure the thighs are fully submerged, then add some pickle juice. I love that acidity. And set them aside for 30 minutes. This is a quick fried chicken after all. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's take these beauties out of the oven. Wow, look at that. Golden crispy perfection. You can even see the light catching every little crackle. They're as crunchy as they look. And interesting, the Worcestershire one shrank. I wonder if it was the acidity. Now that we have our beautiful chicken skin, look at them. Golden brown, crispy. Wow, ready to transform our sandwich into something unforgettable. Let's talk about the coating. Let's mix together some wheat flour, some corn flour, some smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and oregano, and of course, some salt and white pepper to bring it all together. This isn't just about making the chicken crispy, it's about flavoring every layer. Trust me, this step makes all the difference, says the guy who once forgot seasoning entirely and had a very awkward dinner. Once the chicken is done marinating, grab the chicken and let the excess buttermilk drip off. No one likes a soggy coat. Unless we're talking about cake, press each tight firmly into the flour mixer, making sure every nook and cranny is coated. You're aiming for a layer that clings to the chicken like it's holding on for dear life. Press, press. Place the coated thighs onto a plate while you finish the rest. Letting them rest for a few minutes helps the coating set so it stays on during frying. Heat your oil to 175 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit. No guesswork here. Use a thermometer if you've got one. Too hot and will burn the coating before the inside cooks. Too cool, and we'll end up with greasy chicken. Gently lower the chicken thighs into the oil, away from you. The splatter burns are never part of the plan. Fry it for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the coating is golden brown and the internal temperature hits 75 Celsius. By now, your kitchen should smell like a fried chicken dream. Once the thighs are done, transfer them to a wire rack to drain. This keeps them crispy, because no one came here for soggy chicken. And look at it, crispy golden, absolutely perfect. Don't forget to top up with some salt. We're not finished yet. Let's bring it all together for the ultimate fried chicken sandwich. And every great sandwich needs a great sauce. Today we're going something creamy, tangy, and with a little kick. In a small bowl, combine some mayo, ketchup, mustard, your favorite hot sauce. Finally chop a few gherkins and mix them in for texture, and a splash of the gherkin juice. The tanginess will make everything pop. This sauce isn't just a condiment. It's the glue that'll hold all our flavors together. Set it aside, and let's talk about the assembly. And speaking of assembly, you're gonna need some bread. Get a brioche roll, spread some butter on it, and lightly toast it in a pan. You're looking for a golden brown inside. They'll be warm and slightly crispy. It's a small step, but it makes a huge difference. Now the moment we've been waiting for. Assembly. Start by spreading a generous layer of sauce on the bottom of the bun. Be generous, no one likes a dry sandwich. Place your perfectly fried chicken thigh on top. It's crispy, it's juicy, and it's the hero of this sandwich. Next, add a spoonful of caramelized onions for a touch of sweetness. This step, optional. Or if you're skipping it, we might need to have words. Add a piece of the crispy chicken skin right on top. It's the crunch, the umami, and the reason this sandwich has more personality than I do. Finally, crown it with the top half of the bun. Press it down gently, just enough to get everything cozy, but not so much that the sauce starts running for the hills. And look at it, layers of flavor, textures that play off each other, and a sandwich that's ready to steal the show. This isn't just a chicken sandwich, it's the ultimate fried chicken experience. But there's one more thing left to do. Let's taste it. Let's start with the baseline, the control sandwich. No chicken skin, just a fried chicken, sauce, and all the usual suspects. This is the sandwich most people will be used to. Oh, it's great, I love it. Chicken is juicy, coating is crispy, and the sauce does its job. It's excellent, I love it. But it does seem like it's missing something. Kind of like my gym routine. Great intentions, but something just not clicking. And let's see how that changes with the addition of the crispy chicken skin. First one, just salt and olive oil. Wow. Wow. That crunch hits you immediately. And then the umami kicks in. It's rich, it's savory, super savory. And it just elevates the whole sandwich. This skin acts like the perfect bridge between the crispy coating and the tender chicken. Already, this is on another level. It's hard to put it down. Wow. Let's give a taste now on the dark soy sauce one. This one has a lot to prove. Let's see if it delivers. Okay, this one is different. The soy adds a deep savory kick that feels almost caramelized. It's bold, no doubt about it. If you're into big punchy flavors, this one might be for you, but it might be a bit much for some people. It's intense in the best way possible. And finally, the tangy contender, reduced chicken skin seasoned with Worcestershire sauce. This one's the wild card, let's see how it plays out. Whoa, alright. The tanginess from the Worcestershire cuts through the richness beautifully. It's savory, it's zippy, but it's a surprise hit. It's not as punchy as I thought it was gonna be, but it still works really well with the crispy chicken. They're all great, but there can only be one winner. And for me, the classic chicken skin, seasoned with just salt and olive oil, takes the crown. It lets the natural umami and crunch of the skin shine without overpowering the sandwich. Simple, but absolutely perfect. And let's be real, even my worst sandwich elevates itself with this. This idea will upgrade your sandwiches, taking them to a whole new level. I tested, I crunched, I conquered. Now it's your turn. Which one was your favorite chicken skin? Or do you have your own secret seasoning that you swear by? Let me know down below. I'm always looking for new ideas to experiment on. And if this inspired you to elevate your chicken sandwich game, don't stop here. In this video right here, I'll show you a Portuguese pork steak sandwich that will take your sandwich game to another level. Some would even say, maybe biased, that it's one of the best sandwiches in the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for now, I still have a lot of sandwiches to eat.